here stopped, it would be a good opportunity to take you guys through what we put in our backpacks on just a couple mile day hike while we're out camping. So we just have these backpacks that we bought on Amazon, and they work pretty well for just an easy day hike. Not one that you probably want to use if you have like a bladder pack. So we do have some different backpacks that we use depending on the type of hike we're doing. So in the front here is where we pack our food. Got my veggie chips, some grapes.
Oh, I want some grapes. She's holding out.
A sandwich, Cheetos for him.
Yeah.
Sure this doesn't fly away. Also got my cooling towel. Got our little portable first aid kit with a mirror in it, just in case we get into danger and need to, you know, flag somebody down.
SOS. Give me
I've
shouting.
got my reusable baggie with my pee wipe. Oh.
Pack it in, pack it out.
Pack it in, pack it out. That's right. And so I have the reusable baggie so it can wash.
And then?
I tend to get dehydrated really easily while we're out hiking, so I have a couple of different things that I keep with me all the time. And we're not sponsored by any of these, it just works really well for me. So I have liquid IV packets that I mix into my water, along with Hamer Nutrition and Duralite, so it's an electrolyte replacement. I take a couple of these before we leave, especially when it's a really hot hike, and it just helps replenish as well as drinking the liquid IV. Inside, we've got bug spray, very important. Mosquitoes, and this one is actually biting flies, which we've experienced today.
Yeah, right there.
Really bad.
Look at that.
Sunscreen, always bring sunscreen with
It's like
you.
fangs in my arm.
And we've got extra water and Gatorade, super important. Or Powerade, whatever you like. And then I bring a flannel with me just in case the bugs get too bad, so then I can cover my arms up.
And boots.
And our handy dandy trusty Merrells. Well, he has those Under Armours on today.
These are nice, they're vented. I like summer hikes.
Got a water bottle to keep our water cold. We've got a whistle with a compass, and actually has,
nice.
I didn't realize it has a thermometer on the other side.
How hot is it?
It is around, what I'm thinking, 75 to 80.
Nice.
So that's what I keep in my backpack. Brian has a few different things in his. He keeps all the GoPro equipment, batteries, drone, and then of course we always carry a gun with us, and our air horn as well, because you never know what animals you'll encounter. As you saw from our last week's video, we did see some bears. We actually got to see a herd of elk pretty far away in the marsh area today, which was pretty cool, but we didn't get a shot of them. They're a little too far away.
Way out there at the base of the mountain out there. A couple guys fishing out here. One guy had one on, big one. Anyways.
So that's what we keep in our backpacks. Hopefully that helps you guys out. Again, this is just really for quick little day hikes, just a little bit of food. We do tend to keep some more stuff with us when we go on longer 10 to 15 mile hikes. So we'll do another video on that when we do our next long hike.